after a canceled flight.
Yeah.
And how many hours? 7 hours flight.
7 hours flight, but it was also delay after being kept in a bus before reaching the plane. You know, this little buses that takes you to your plane. So it was a very long journey.
Yeah. We were supposed to arrive yesterday to New York, but long story short, the flight got canceled. Theoretically, it was a storm coming to the Netherlands, but actually the flight was not canceled because of the storm, was canceled for some technical reasons. So we managed to rebook for the next day, so today.
Yeah.
And yeah, actually it was not so bad. So we just have to arrange some extra night with the hotel.
Yeah.
And hopefully we will be able to sort it and everything is going to be okay. Now we are in the JFK Airport in New York, and we need to get to our hotel, which is in Queens. And the idea now is to take the AirTrain to go to the Jamaica station, and from Jamaica station we will take a subway underground to Queens and finally arrive to the hotel. So we will show you the best way to do it. So hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. And yeah, now we have
Let's start.
Fine. So it's transit to the city. So I think somewhere in that direction. So we are in the JFK Terminal 4. And there is an AirTrain. So we have to go upstairs and take the train.
Okay, here?
Yeah, we have to go upstairs. We have to go to Jamaica station.
Okay, yeah.
Depends where you go. Okay, so that's the thing. We have to
Yeah, Jamaica, you think?
Jamaica in 7 minutes.
In 7 minutes.
Well, this actually is going to Jamaica because boarding.
Okay, so
So we could actually take it. Let's go there.
Is it also going to Jamaica?
Yeah. Did you in Jamaica station?
Sitting on one should wear lunch.
It's really rush hour now in New York. All the people like coming Friday evening and going to the city. It's just so crowded, I think, here.
That you can hardly make it, yeah.
So this is the Jamaica station? Yeah, so this is the Long Island Railroad. You can also take this train to go to the city, to the Penn Station, which leaves you completely in the center, in the Madison Square Garden.
The Jamaica train.
In the case that you go to the Midtown Manhattan, and all Times Square and so on.
Contactless.
So look, in there, so you can pay contactless payments or MetroCard. And the fare is $850.
Yeah.
So what is this?
This is like the machine where you can actually buy the ticket if you want.
Looks very old now.
Yeah, but it looks cool. I don't know, maybe they just left it like this just to, I don't know.
Yeah, sentimental reasons.
Exactly.
So what is it like? You just tap start and you choose your language and no credit cards accepted in this one, but there are other ones that actually they accept.
Yeah. So how you?
This one accept.
So how you can pay if you no credit or debit card? So how do you pay?
This one
By
accepts
coins?
cards, you know.
Or no?
No, look at this. Accept Amex, Visa, Mastercard.
But it doesn't work, for example.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
What is madness? But you got the idea.
Yeah.
That's just better now.
Right, hello. I'm going first, please.
What?
So that was it. So we have to go to the subway. So we're going to the
Yeah.
E line.
I really like it that you can just tap with your card. So we are taking E, number E.
Now we will have to tap again in to get in subway. So we are taking the Manhattan direction. So it's basically now or in 5 minutes. World Trade Center. I think it's platform 1. There is an entrance in there.
Yeah.
You can just tap in.
Okay.
You manage?
Yeah.
So where is the one?
Oh, I like this, the flag look.
Yeah.
Cool.
Local train. The next stop is Jamaica.
It was warm on the platform, but really cold in here, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have the AC on, and everywhere is the smell of pot.
Oh yeah, it smells a lot.
No?
Yeah, it smells a lot.
Yeah.
So this is how it looks. The New York subway.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's clean, quite clean.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we are getting off in Queens Plaza.
Okay.
There is some planning there. Maybe we can just get closer to that, just to see a plan. So, where are we? Jamaica, Queens Plaza. So we are getting off in Queens Plaza.
In what?
We are getting off in Queens Plaza. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh. I think I'm tired.
And this is direction World Trade Center.
Okay. And we will have to buy another night. Hopefully it will be available.
What?
We will have to book another night. Hopefully it will be available.
Yeah, so because of the cancellation of the flight, now we have to ask for the hotel to extend for one more night. I don't think it's gonna be any problem, but unfortunately we already lost one night,
Yeah.
which fortunately we will be able to claim it to the travel insurance. So kind of important to have travel insurance for this kind of contingencies. So if you pay with credit card, also the credit card can get responsible and give you back something. The airline has to give you some kind of compensation. So it's very important to see what kind of compensation you are entitled. And in this case, because it was not like external circumstances like weather or airport strike, something that the airline cannot control. This actually was because the failure, the technical issue in the plane, so they cancel it. So we are actually entitled to get some 600 euros compensation because of the long haul flight. But also something that you can is that you can, because the airline, they offer you a voucher for 800 valid.
800.
800 is valid the voucher, or 600 cash. But of course, if you choose the voucher, the airline wins because
You have to book voucher to book with them.
exactly 800. Or if it's more expensive, then you have to pay more, so the airline wins.
But voucher for what? Voucher for another flight with them?
Or whatever you want in flights. So the airline wins in that case.
Yeah.
You prefer the cash.
Of course.
But a lot of people, I mean, it depends on your preference. If you know that you're gonna, I don't know, flying far away and you want to actually go cheaper, so you can choose the voucher, it's 800.
Yeah.
But if you're not planning any trip, get the cash, they put it directly in your bank account, and yeah, probably you just have to give them the email confirmation that the flight got canceled because of them. Where are we? Well, anyway,
We are.
so
But
yeah. So let's continue when we are in Queens Plaza.
Yeah.
Now, welcome to New York. This is our first morning, our first sunrise in our hotel in Queens. Apparently today we're gonna have a really nice weather, blue skies, and there in the distance we can see the Queens Bridge that crosses to Manhattan. And those buildings in the distance, they are the Queens Plaza, I believe, some kind of business center probably in Queens. And in front of our hotel there is some construction site that are probably building hotels or apartments. But stunning view in here, really nice. Welcome to New York.